how to keep yourself healthy, specifically how to keep your heart healthy. Follow my formula. I call them as Dr. K.K. Agarwal's or Dr. K.K.'s formula of 80. And that formula is keep your lower blood pressure, heart rate, the bad cholesterol levels, sugar levels, abdominal circumference of the abdominal girth all below 80. For that, walk 80 minutes a day with a speed of 80 steps per minute wherever possible. Do 80 cycles of pranayam. Eat less, not more than 80 grams of caloric food or not more than 80 ml of caloric liquid. Don't take alcohol if you take less than 80 ml a day or less than 80 grams in a week. Don't smoke or you end up into a hospitalization which will involve 80,000 rupees of bill. Apart from that, if you are above the age of 30, get your heart checkup done once in a year, and every 3 years get your treadmill done. When eating food, be careful. Have a mix of all 7 colors in 6 days and eat in moderation. It is very clear, the less you eat, the less your chances of getting a heart attack. Don't eat trans fat. Trans fat reduces good HDL cholesterol and increases bad LDL cholesterol. If you take trans fat, you have more chances of getting heart attack. Reduce whites in your diet. The white rice, the white sugar, the white maida. The more white you take, you will end up into pot belly obesity, which will end up into heart disease. Don't smoke. Smokers don't get second heart attack. That's a easy saying, and that's because chances of second heart attack are higher, and the second heart attack may be fatal in smokers. Don't ignore. What not to ignore? Anything which is unexplained, anything which is unusual, anything for the first time in life. So for the first time in life you are getting acidity attack early in the morning, don't ignore. Go to the doctor, it may be heart attack. If you have a chest pain, a suspected heart attack, then don't ignore burning, discomfort or pain in the center of the chest which is diffuse in nature, lasting more than 30 seconds. If it is localized pain, if it is lasting less than 30 seconds, you can ignore it. And if you are suspecting a heart attack, chewing a tablet of 300 mg aspirin can reduce chances of sudden death by 20%. And if by chance there is a sudden death at home, what to do? Remember my formula of 10. Within 10 minutes, for the next 10 minutes, with a speed of 10 into 10, 100 per minute, compress the chest of the victim, and there are chances you will be able to save 70% of these people. Remember, if you are a heart patient, don't get disheartened. You can live a normal, physical, mental and sexual life. Many people say that blockages means that you need angioplasty or surgery. No, blockages only means that you need treatment. The treatment can be a lifestyle treatment, medical treatment, angioplasty or surgery. So therefore, failure of adequate medical treatment to provide wanted risk-free quality of life is the indication for intervention. Remember that. Finally, whatever rituals and customs we follow at home, try to follow them. Most of them were made to prevent heart attacks. For example, it is a tradition in India that one should devote one day in a week to fast and don't eat cereals on that day. If you don't eat cereals once in a week, you will not develop metabolic syndrome and chances of your getting heart attacks are less. So follow this and you will stay healthy. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.